held at Bacoor Coliseum, Bacoor, Cavite, Philippines. So this is it. This is the Decade of Motion 10th anniversary dance concert live. So we are here enjoying watching the time. How are you, Shibamjat? How are you? Yeah, it's nice to see you here, Shibamjat. So, big shout out again, Shibamjat from India. Thank you for joining. Shout out, Shibamjat from India. Thank you so much for joining. And big shout out again, Terry from Canada. Thank you for being here. And big shout out, Ferry. Thank you so much. Big shout out, Ate Eva Abigan. Thank you na nandito ka. I'm so happy. And big shout out again, Haha, our #1 viewer lately. So thank you to each and every one of you. Actually, I just show you this one. I just want to share to you how very successful is the dance live concert last time. So this is the Decade of Motion from Perpetual Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. So big shout out again Atlas in Motion and Perpetual Bacoor, Perpetual Molino branch, Bacoor, Cavite. Ayan. So big shout out. Decade of Motion. Yeah, it's very successful. And we are so enjoyed that time while we watch the concert. So how are you? What are you doing now? What are you doing now, Shibam Jet, Terry, and Ferry? Are you still here? Ate Eva, kumain ka na ba ng dinner? Hello! Hi! Yes, hello! Hi! Ang ganda na pinapanood ko kasi. Yeah. So guys, hello! Likes our live nga now. Please support